my name is Nadelom. Wherever you are watching me from, I just want to put something across. In countries where people use motorbike as public transport, I just want to put this across. It even cuts across to people who use motorbike as their personal vehicles. Now, this is causing a lot of harm. Ladies with long dresses, it could even be a man, long hair, and other long things that we wear when we are boarding a motorbike. Usually it goes down, the garments you're wearing, if you are not fortunate and it has to go down, get close to the back tire. There's something there called sprocket. That's what is holding the chain of the motorbike, and that's what propels the tire and helps it in movement. Now, when your dress gets close to that thing and you are not careful, that will be the end of you. Because it will keep rolling the dress bit by bit. You may never know until it gets to a point where it has to pull you down. I personally know a lady who went through this terrible experience where the dress she's wearing actually got in contact with the chain of the bike. And it was a terrible experience. If you are listening to me from whichever country that use motorbike, I know currently most African countries use motorbike as a means of transport. Please be careful. Those with long hair and then those with long dresses. Not forgetting our Muslim sisters, the ones that use the hijab. Please share this video. Share this video to anybody you know that loves using motorbike, especially the ladies. It's going to be very helpful. I just want to put this across quickly. When you're very careful, which making sure say atare no betra motorbike no so a obe rolli ato so senior bear enko kan ade bi wo down ho aya mo hwe ekita chain no mu eno na ma chain ni twa ne ho se watare no ko hyesa ho na e betwetwe no kakra before a we ni beti no na a drag you down. I do best to form a picture rough. Minimum beer, Saturday we are to be like a week ago. My experience I'm having a common and ready. Need 3 million a picture. It's Miss Remo. You see a motorbike, no, we any then cry, I bet carry home. Let's use it wisely. Remember, dear, I got number to soon get your man. Remember, dear, say, you man your money good so. Instead of say, it be hangy. Now, I share our areas now later. Ubefino akushia wankwenshi ugu. Mindindi nalo.